Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. Nifty Gateway stands as a prominent marketplace within the bustling digital art and collectibles scene. It offers a curated platform where artists can showcase and sell their work as non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These unique digital assets represent ownership of a specific piece of art, be it a still image, animation, or even a piece of music. Nifty Gateway is known for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both seasoned collectors and newcomers navigating the world of NFTs. The platform facilitates the entire process, from the initial minting of NFTs to their subsequent sale and secure storage. This streamlined approach removes many of the technical hurdles often associated with blockchain technology and cryptocurrency transactions. Nifty Gateway also distinguishes itself through its curated drops, featuring exclusive releases from high-profile artists and creators. These carefully selected collections often generate significant excitement and drive high demand within the NFT community. The platform's emphasis on verified artists and creators contributes to a sense of trust and authenticity, providing collectors with confidence in the provenance and value of the digital assets they acquire. Beyond its core marketplace functionality, Nifty Gateway also offers a secondary market where collectors can buy and sell NFTs amongst themselves. This fosters a dynamic ecosystem where the value of digital art is determined by market forces, much like traditional art markets. The platform integrates with secure cryptocurrency wallets, allowing for seamless transactions and safe storage of digital assets. Moreover, Nifty Gateway continuously evolves, incorporating new features and technologies to enhance the user experience and stay at the forefront of the NFT space. By combining a user-friendly platform with a focus on curated content and secure transactions, Nifty Gateway has established itself as a leading destination for artists and collectors alike in the vibrant world of digital art and collectibles. They continue to innovate and adapt, ensuring a dynamic and exciting platform for the future of digital ownership.